Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm taking down all the Valentine's decorations. Yes, I left for a little longer. I was quite lazy, didn't want to clean, didn't want to do anything like that, so I decided to do today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. I make videos about cooking, cleaning, home interior, fashion, fragrance reviews and much more. Also guys, I have installed the sofa covers, and you let me know what you think of it. I don't think it's the best quality, but does spruce up the place. It makes it look much better, I believe. I mean, I love black, and just let me know what you think. I mean, it's another way for you to sort of you know update your space. Yes, guys, I need to do a little dance for you lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, just bear in mind, I live in this apartment, just myself and my daughter. The place doesn't get very dirty unless I leave for a few days without doing anything. So yeah, bear that in mind. So you're probably not going to see my space, in very sort of a extreme condition, but it does get dirty. It does need cleaning and sorting out, like twice a week. Subscribe to my channel, let my channel grow, help be part of the family, share also with your family and friends. Everything on YouTube is for free, it won't cost you nothing. I hope this video can help you, and also go and watch my other videos. There's a lot to watch, you won't get bored, you can binge on my content. I'll be very much grateful. Guys, one thing I tend to do is to shop the house. I swap things around to freshen up my space because I do get bored very quickly. So you see me changing things around, swapping, changing the position of the sofas, the tables. If you watch my other videos, you'll notice that my dining table was in one corner at the living room and now is in the other corner, and the sofa is swapped as well around, and that just gives us sort of a different dimension and gives you the feel of the space being changed, because like I said, I get very bored very easily. Guys, in this property, I've got a lot that I want to get done. I need to get done my ceilings in the lounge. The person that lived here before put paper, literally. My ceilings are covered with paper, and is adjusting to the kitchen. Imagine when I cook, the ceiling, you know, is the steam of the kitchen comes into the living room and it start peeling. It looks absolutely atrocious. I hate with passion, and I have a major work to do in this lounge. I want to change my fixture wall. I mean, there's a lot that needs to be done. I want to change my telly as well. I had it for a few years, and probably gonna put that in my bedroom and get a bigger size for my lounge. As you can see, you know, I live in England basically, and there's not like different type of rooms in terms of like some countries in Africa, for instance, where I'm from. We have got different rooms. We have got the dining room, we have got the living room, and we've got an extra room. Here in UK, I live in an apartment, and this apartment is considered to be one of the biggest, and as you can see, my lounge is divided by my dining space. I feel that it's quite small, but considering a lot of the places here in UK or across Europe is actually quite big. A lot of people say to me that I live in a small mansion, which I don't agree, but obviously they're comparing that to other homes, apartments here in UK. Yes, guys, you can see the sofas are looking like something brand new. Do you agree? Let's see when everything's put together how everything gonna look like, because I have to say I don't like the quality of the stretchy covers. I think it gives a bit of a sort of a cheap feel to it, but I will be investing on the velvet one, and I'll let you guys know my feedback on that. guys, I had these brown sofas in my bedroom. It's those type of sofas that you can sort of split into two single ones. One was in my daughter's bedroom and one was in mine. So now I decided to bring back in the living room. I thought it would take a lot of space, but I quite like it the way it looks. My daughter agreed with me as well. It leaves us plenty space in the middle of the lounge to exercise, dance. We love to dance and do yoga and stuff. So yeah, initially I was a bit like conflicted that having the black covers and then having a brown sofa next to it, but when it's all well styled, it kind of sort of work together. It does mesh together and it doesn't look out of place. I quite enjoy the way it looks. I think it doesn't look out of place at all. So let me know what you guys think. Guys, this is how everything is looking at the moment. We say at the moment because we are designers, we are stylists, we change all the time. So for the time being, I am okay with the way everything looks.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it.